Okay, so here we have a chinking application for round logs. The first thing you want to do is make sure all top and bottom adhesion points are clean, dry, and free from contaminants, including dirt, dust, mold, mildew, oil, and wax. Install an approved backing material. Ensure you have proper depth for chink of at least 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch. Install chinking by starting on either end of the chink joint to be done. Fill bulk loading gun or method of application for your choosing. Apply a consistent bead from top to bottom, bottom to top, moving in either direction, maintaining at least 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch thickness. If you would please just take a moment and like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. We'd greatly appreciate it. Then you want to dry tool, either from right to left or left to right, to eliminate any surface defects and also to eliminate any air bubbles you might see. Once you have ensured chink material is adhered to top and bottom adhesion areas and at a proper thickness of 5/16 to 3/8 of an inch, you can lightly spray your trowel with a small amount of water or lightly spray the chink joint with a light amount of water and lightly trowel the surface to create a smooth finish.